If you want to get more done in a day, or even something done in a day, then you probably started off really well and created a to-do list. But after this, things have gone downhill. The sheer amount on your to-do list puts you off, or it is so disorganized you do not know where to start. Well, in this video, I am going to show you the first step of kicking that to-do list into shape, and how doing this will mean that you will get more done in a day. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is put our tasks into categories. These should be specific to your own task list, but there are some general ones that most people will have. These will be things like home, work, personal development, hobbies and family responsibilities. But remember, if any of these are not applicable to you, then don't use them. In my ClickUp task manager, the categories, or spaces as ClickUp calls them, are home, content creation and work. In each of these areas there's further categorization. For example, in home I've included health, finances and, for example, cleaning and tidying. In my content creation categories, I further categorize these into the areas I produce content for. If you're using pen and paper, then a good starting point might be to grab some highlighters and start to highlight tasks that could go into various categories. If you're using an electronic task manager, then maybe start to categorize them using a whiteboard and drag those tasks to different places, or use a tag system. Once you've done this, your task list will definitely start looking more organized. And in the next video, we'll look at prioritizing those important tasks. Hope you have a productive day and you get more done. Catch you all later.